Warren Buffett, one of the world's foremost investors and financial minds, and one of the people I respect highly and personally implement his investing strategies, recently shared his insight into the current debate surrounding the global reserve currency status of the US dollar and potential competitors like BRICS nations. Now, even as Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, all the BRICS countries grow economically stronger and gain in economic influence, Buffett remains confident that the US dollar will remain the world's primary reserve currency. After all, he is a billionaire and one of the richest men in the world. Now, this video will explain Warren Buffett's reasoning and explore why the factors lead to his belief that the US dollar dominance will persist while BRICS may face difficulties competing on this global stage. And we're not counting them out, we're just explaining why he thinks so. Now, Warren Buffett often emphasizes the strength and resilience of this US dollar as the reserve currency, noting its long history and robust financial system as factors contributing to its reliability as a safe haven asset during economic upheavals. Now, through decades of global economic turmoil, it has consistently proven its resilience as a financial haven asset despite numerous disruptions worldwide. Now, its stability during times of geopolitical unpredictability has only further cemented this reputation for reliability, something other BRICS currencies might find challenging to do due to their short histories or less robust financial systems compared with regards of the safety of the asset class. Now, the depth and liquidity of these US financial markets and the sheer size, depth, and liquidity of the US financial markets play an enormous role in propelling its currency to global prominence. Now, Warren Buffett has noted how their depth allows investors to quickly convert large sums of capital in and out of dollars, enabling swift transactions worldwide. Now, central banks, corporations, and investors worldwide rely on such stable currency for transaction and holdings, although BRICS nations strive to build more robust financial markets therein. Now, Buffett also emphasizes the significance of having a stable legal and political environment for any reserve currency, with the United States setting an excellent example with its long-standing rule of law and democratic institutions, instilling great trust from global investors. Now, trust in the legal framework is crucial in order for currency reserves to retain their reserve status. Investors need the assurance that their investment will be protected under unbiased legal systems. Now, with all the political turmoil going on in the United States, it's here or nor there if this is true. BRICS nations have made strides towards improving their legal systems as well. However, some potential politically unstable concerns and inconsistencies with legal protections may cause the withdrawal of reserves from the reserve. Now, economic size and diversification. The economic size and diversity of the US contribute to its strength as a reserve currency. Now, the US economy encompasses numerous industries, services, innovations, and sectors. Its broad base gives the dollar a stronger position against sector shocks than some BRICS nations that remain dependent on specific commodities or industry, leaving their economies more susceptible to external shocks than expected. Now, according to Buffett's view, the United States dollar's broad economic foundation gives it an edge against currencies from economies with narrower economic bases than its rivals from more vulnerable BRICS economies like Russia or China. Now, Buffett also recognizes that the United States has long been at the forefront of technological and financial innovations, and it boasts cutting-edge financial instruments, advanced payment systems, and its adaptability to quickly adapt to evolving market trends that contribute to its appeal in an ever-evolving global economic landscape. And although other BRICS nations may soon catch up in these areas of innovation, America holds a competitive advantage due to its head start on innovation. The United States maintains an extensive global alliance and trade relations network as well, and it contributes to its reserve currency status and benefits from oil transactions conducted exclusively in dollars, further cementing its role in global trade and financial flows. Although BRICS nations have attempted to establish similar networks, their legacy and depth cannot match these maintained by the US allies, and they do not trade between themselves, only with China. Now, Warren Buffett bases his assessment of the US dollar's enduring role as world reserve currency on an examination of historical precedent and his economic fundamentals and geopolitical dynamics. While BRICS nations are making great strides in strengthening their economies and international influence, they continue to face significant hurdles competing with the dominance of this US dollar, even though they're trading here and there with their own currency as for oil. And as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett provides us with valuable context for understanding the complex dynamics that shape this global financial landscape, as well as prospects of the US dollar and BRICS. Now, his insights offer unique perspectives into their importance to economic prosperity in an ever-evolving world. And if you like this video, check this next video about BRICS out right here.